Pine River, Minnesota, just south of town. The snowstorm that's hitting pretty good. We already got almost an inch of snow. Got just measured. We have 21 inches so far for the winter. Now you can hear probably on the mic the wind is starting to pick up. It's supposed to blow gusts as high as 35. As you can see, what I'll take you up later, there's concerns for drifting mostly tomorrow because the winds are supposed to shift out of the northwest, and just up the driveway there's a field, and that is where we have most of our drifting.